Hello everyone, my name is Jacob with the AGH Gaming channel, and today I wanted to kick off my new video series on YouTube called Hearthstone and Chill. This is the video series where I upload raw footage of a variety of different decks with little to no commentary. For the first rendition of this series, I wanted to showcase my Mech Paladin deck. This is a mid-range deck that is quite strong. I have also played the Mech Rogue deck. I do think it is a bit better overall, has a little bit more tempo-oriented cards that get the deck off to a faster start. But this deck is certainly good enough to ladder with, it's certainly good enough to have a lot of fun with, and overall I did quite well with this list. I think I ended up going somewhere around 14-6 out of 20 games, which you will see here shortly. I will say that the worst matchup that I experienced while playing this particular deck was Control Thaddeus Warlock. For whatever reason, I could not catch up once they played their big tempo swing turn, dropping Thaddeus with the Mana Cheat and Slime. Good removal. It was just a lot to overcome with this list, and you'll see one such game towards the end of this particular video. But without any further ado, you can take a look at my list here and further optimize it. I would also real quick like to add that there probably are some mistakes throughout the gameplay. I probably missed lethal a few times, but nevertheless, I wanted to showcase what this deck is capable of in case you were wanting to craft it yourself. So without any further ado, sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and I will catch you all in the next one.
Cariel versus Edwin. None may challenge the Brotherhood.
All will shine on the dance floor. Take two and call you in the morning.
Want to hear my playlist? Want to hear my playlist? Must protect little one.
Toys are much more fun to breed. Toys are much more fun to breed.
Shiny, my shiny!
more fun to breathe.
Get up, roll up.
It's not meant to be.
You work great out there.
Cariel versus the Lich King!
All will serve me in death.
All will shine on the dance floor.
Toys are much more fun to breathe.
Twist this, tighten up, and look over there! Twist this, tighten that, and look
Repair
over
in
there!
progress.
Toys are much more fun to breathe. The more you struggle, the better.
You're damaged.
Reporting for duty.
You're damaged.
Can you feel the gift of the sun? All life must end.
Cariel versus Rafam!
You are just in time to witness the culmination of my genius.
All will shine on the dance floor.
Job's done.
Must protect, little boss.
Access denied.
Tighten that and bolt over there! Ally enhanced!
The answer is here. Running out of time.
Unity, precision, perfection, shaft.
Initializing descent. Twist this, tighten that, and bolt over there!
We're not done with you yet.
Get up, hold up.
For all I've given, I'm doing my
I must conceal.
You cannot stop me!